Well, hello and welcome to another video on PTP 4x4. Today we are in Staffordshire with the UK Panda 4x4 group. So there's a bunch of us now, all together. We all stayed in this Airbnb. Really nice place actually. It belongs to one of the parents of one of the guys in the group. So yeah, we're pretty much all ready to hit the road now. I think we're going to do some trails in the Peak District because we're right next to the Peak District. But this Panda's absolutely everywhere. 141 over there, 169 over there as well. Yeah, should be a good laugh. Haven't been out with these guys for over a year now, so looking forward to doing some off-roading in the Peak District. Haven't really done any there before. But yeah, that's going to be good fun. I'm also hoping that we're going to get some snow in the Peak District. We've got a little bit on the ground now, but definitely not enough. Look at that, that is sick. That's one of the maddest 141s in the group, I think. That is awesome. Very cool. Right, let's get some bits in the car, start up Pedro, and let's hit the road. So we've just pulled over in this very wintry looking town. There's pandas everywhere. And also we've got a couple of these which are pretty cool. Oh yeah, plenty of Panda 141s, 169s, Pedro there. We've got a couple of guests with us in there as well, so that's quite cool. Yeah, absolutely freezing. It's looking likely that we're going to see some snow on the lanes. So that'd be exciting.
It wasn't long until we all reached our first lane, and luckily there was snow.
I think we just got onto our first lane now. Got a full car. Hello everyone. And luckily there seems to be some snow.
As we reached the end of our first lane, Pedro the Panda unfortunately experienced a minor issue.
I believe we've got the breakdown. Is he breakdown?
My new handbrake cables slipped out of the fucking holder. Let them go past that.
Just pulled over for a quick toilet break. So far so good. One of my handbrake cables has popped out of the caliper, so I'm blaming my mechanic Jamie for that because he fitted them just this week. But apart from that, it's pretty good. The weather's awful, but there's plenty of snow, so that's good.
We left the car park to head to our next lane. As the snow started to melt, this left some pretty big puddles on the trails, and because we're all children, we thought we'd make a splash.
Speed of happening here.
What are you doing in my camera footage? Aaron, I think the road's closed.
This is boat 66, this is this green lane, and this is the note to tell you that you shouldn't be driving down here. So there's obviously some repair work to do while there's wildlife, and now we can't go down, so we're just going to carry on a different one.
Due to this lane being closed, we jumped back on the road to head towards the next lane, but unfortunately, nature had other ideas.
Someone's had a go at it already.
Turbo on a bike. Yeah, man. Challenge accepted. Baffling can do it.
So a bit annoying, but there is a massive fallen down tree up this lane. So we're going to have to turn around and head to the next lane. It looks like the pandas have taken over. Yeah, bit of a shame.
As we all worked our way through the final section of the last trail on the day, evidence of the rain that was continuous throughout the whole day was apparent when we got back onto the road, and we saw the obligatory dead BMW right next to a flooded road. We thought the best thing for this was to drive through the flooded road as quickly as we could. Sorry guys for getting you wet. After this flooded road, this started to become a theme, and we kept seeing flood after flood. This was the end of day 1, but then day 2 started and we were greeted in the morning by saying hello to a donkey, and then we got back on the road. Because me and Jordan and Pedro the Panda had a 2.5-hour drive home, we had time for one last lane on day 2, so we drove straight there, and it was a good one. As we reached the end of our last lane on this trip, I have to say a massive thank you to Andy and the UK Panda 4x4 group for inviting us along to join them doing these trails in Staffordshire and the Peak District, and also to let me use some of their footage for my video. And also a big thank you to Jordan, my co-pilot, who did a lot of my filming. Thank you very much for watching. I have some exciting stuff coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. But I'll see you all in the next Pedro the Panda 4x4 video.